Hail. Starting to lighten up now. But I got this in my pocket. This is the size of the hail. And no, I did not put this in my pocket. It rained and fell in my pocket. And I'm just now pulling it out. But that's about the size of the hail that was just pouring down. Looks like I got a piece of my car somehow. I don't know how that happened. Weird. Huh. Yeah, this is the size of it. And looks like it's starting to lighten up a little bit. Oh, I gotta go get donuts for the damn bank. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's not over. It's not over. It ain't over. Oh! It is not over. That's what I thought it was. We're in Des Moines, Iowa at 7:38 in the morning. Oh shit. Damn. This is crazy. Thankfully hasn't been strong enough to crack the windshield any more than it already is. Good Lord. Crazy man. Yeah man, this is crazy man. Gonna have to put this on YouTube. Alright. I think I might have lightened up. I think it's done. Man, that was some crazy stuff. Never experienced anything like that. I wonder what that means. 90-some degrees yesterday. Now we got ice falling from the sky. Only in Des Moines, I don't know where else this type of bullshit can happen. Wow. Well, everything appears to be safe. I'm gonna sign off now. Peace.